Hey, I am your enthusiast. Today, I am show you my portfolio website. I recently I create that because I update myself and my skill. So without further ado, let's jump my portfolio website. So let's go. Here is my first impression. So I create that using Next.js. For deployment, I use Parcel. So first of all, see this animation. I create this animation using frame of motion. If your background is front end development, so you can understand what is frame of motion. Okay, so if you click hear me, so if you could see that's land a email option, and if you click download cv, it's land a, documents, my google doc documents. So here is my update cv. I continue update myself, and I continue update my cv also. So let's jump other section. So here is my about section. Here is my full journey, full story. Here is my skill, and when you click education section, you find my education background. Here is my project section. So all mean I am a web developer, app developer, and Figma designer. So here is the all of project. So if you click the web, if you find the web project. If you click app, you find app project. If you click Figma, you find Figma project. Okay, so I want to tell you something that if you hover any picture, you find two icons. One icon is mm, github link, one icon is live website. Okay, if you click detail, view details, you find the details of my project. Okay, if you click here, you down, you close the project description. Okay, sorry, my sometimes I nervous, so my tongue is stuck. Okay, uh, here is the last section. Let's connect. Here is I give my github account links. Here is my I give linkedin account section. Okay, and last and least, if you like my portfolio website, you can connect me, you can hire me. Okay, uh, just give here your gmail. Okay, so for example, I create that, I randomly write that abc at the rate gmail dot com. Here is the subject. Subject is I want, sorry, I want offer a I want offer a job. Okay, job. Here you write some message. For example, I write hi buddy, sorry, buddy. Okay, and just click here. Email sent to my gmail. So for check, I go my gmail. Okay, gmail. Here is the, if you look the first email, you find this email. So here is the subject, I want to offer a job. Here is the message, and here is the your Gmail. If you give your Gmail, it show your Gmail. Okay, so I basically I use this Gmail section. Okay, 1 minute. So I create this email section, email message section using render for email servicing. With this template you saw recently, with this template I use email render template. Okay, so that's all of my uh, portfolio overview. If you like this overview, and if you offer me a job or any part-time or any remotely job, I always available for you. Just uh, uh, just give a message through my website, or I give that LinkedIn ID also. If you want, if you knock there, and if you want, just um, just write a Gmail through my portfolio website. So that's all of my site. So thank you.